Hello and welcome friends, I am Bittu and this is the Linux Terminal. In this video, I am going to talk about a command line recycle bin which is Trash-cli. So if you are on Arch Linux, you can install this package using the command sudo pacman -S and Trash-cli. I have already installed it on my system, so I won't install it again. So let's cancel it. So let's see its usage. So to trash a file, first list down all the files which I have in my current directory. So I have 5 directories and 5 files. So let's say I want to delete the head file and the cpu fetch.cast file. So I will simply write trash, which I have to trash the files, and cpu fetch.cast and the head file. So now it has trashed, and if you want to see the trashed files, you can look that using the command trash list. So here I have about 7 files which I have trashed, and if you want to restore any one of them files, you can write the command trash restore without giving it any argument. So here you can see all the 7 files have a unique index numbers, and the pacman.txt file has 0 index and 1 2 3 and so on. So if I want to restore the trash.cli.cast file, I will write its index number instead of its file name. So I will write 6 and hit enter, and now when I will list the files, I have trash.cli.cast file restored. So if you want to empty the whole trash, you can write the command trash empty, and now it is not removing the sigma file due to some problem, but when you will list the files again which are trashed, it will show you only few files, or it has already deleted. So that was all about the Trash-cli. If you liked the video, please like the video and share with others. Thank you.